Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be doing my April Ipsy unboxings. For the first time, I tried out the Ipsy Ultimate. So I have the Ultimate and the regular. So if you're interested in seeing what I got here in April, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the regular Ipsy first. The first thing in the package is this. Okay, it is a Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask with vitamin C, maca, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. It is a overnight mask. It says you get 15 ml, which is about 0.5 fluid ounces. Let's just see what the little card says about it. Youth to the people. Okay. Get glowing while you sleep with intensely hydrating overnight mask. It uses vitamin C, squalane, which is mimics skin natural oils, and antioxidant-rich maca to brighten you up and help fade your dark spots. Okay, I think this is the product that I chose. I'm not quite sure, honestly, but this is what it looks like. It's in a jar, and it is yellow. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't really smell like anything. Oh, ignore my busted nail. 3 weeks out of my quarantine nails. Well, 3.5 weeks. And I just lost these two today. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit like this on my hand. See what it does. It's very refreshing. I look forward to trying it. It doesn't really smell that good. Almost like flowers. I don't like flowers. This is the April bag. In person it is like this mauve-y kind of purple, but on camera it's kind of picking up more pink colored. I got was this Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. I've never heard of this brand, and it has glitter or something in it. Oh yeah, it just came out like jelly. It's got a florally scent. Of course. It's spraying, of course everything smells like fucking flowers. Ooh. She's thick. Okay. Ooh, okay, hold up. It leaves like a weird feeling. It still smells like flowers even after you rubbed it out. This is really glowy right now. I don't know. Next, there is a Space Case Cosmetics bronzer, I believe this is. This is a box. Okay, I can tell you right now, I ain't gonna like this. First of all, I don't like the packaging. You just unscrew it, and it's there. This is the bronzer. I mean, it's an orangey looking shade, and it looks like it's got some kind of glitter in it. I swatched it. I didn't want to swatch this because I was finna give it away. Okay, this is the shade White Orange, as you see. Okay, so the next two things that came in the Ipsy bag were a sugar. I think I have one thing by them already. Sugar. It's like Sugar Cosmetics or something. I don't know. It's like this big. It's a like travel size like lip gloss or something. I have it in my collection. I never use it. But it is by this brand. I remember this name and this little logo here. It is this kind of tip. This is just a couple of times swatching right here. It's quite like faded in some spots, so I don't know how long this would really last. It already seems kind of dried out a little bit, but I look forward to giving this a go. The last thing in the regular Ipsy bag is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis Softening Toner. Honestly, I have never used a toner in my entire life, so that's gonna make this a whole lot of fun trying out. Because if I like it, I'm gonna have to go and get it, you know, all that stuff. But this is what it looks like. I'm assuming you just take it, put it on a cotton round, and just all over your face, like once in the morning or at night, or just once a day. What? I can't read this little ass writing, so yeah, you can't read it either, can you? No, you cannot. It is time for my first ever Ultimate Ipsy box, and I also got the April box. It looks just like this. Okay, so this here is the bag. It looks really mint on the screen, but I mean it is mint. A little bit. I don't know. What color would you call this? Like green mint? Whatever. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is the Tartist Double Take Eyeliner. This is the box. If I'm not mistaken, I already have this one, but I have so many eyeliners over there. I don't know, I might not. I don't know. You guys, sorry, I'm kind of stoned also. Anyways, this here is what the pencil looks like. Or marker, I don't even know. I think this is a marker tip. Okay, this is a pencil end. Side is a marker. Yep, this one right here. Okay, so I was actually wrong. The two eyeliners by Tarte that I have, the Sex Kitten eyeliner, the small one that I have is the one I was talking about. I thought it was that one, but it's not. Okay. So the other thing in this box is something I'm not going to use, so I'm not going to open it, I'm not going to smell it. I'm going to just give it to my mom most likely. This is the Sella by Celine Tardrisi. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Cream Rose lotion, basically. This is the packaging. Okay, and the other thing that I got in the Ultimate box is the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara. This is the packaging. It's pretty big. Ooh, it is a nice spoolie type. I'm just gonna call this a spoolie because that's what it looks like. It's a mascara one, but this thing, or the second to last thing in the Ultimate box is a Mayel Secret Illuminator, a good night's sleep in a flash. You get 1.5 ml. What is this, a concealer? Is it a concealer? Secret illuminator, more like secret weapon. Use the sheer light reflecting concealer alone. Okay, it's a concealer, right. How do you know this is good for my skin tone? The reflect from this is kind of glowy, so I would not say that it is a concealer. Now, I've been wanting to try this brand out for a while, however, they are crazy expensive, and I don't wear lipstick all that much, so this was a good place to start. And this is in the shade Old Flame. Okay, this is what it looks like. You have to wait. Okay, so it is a doe foot applicator, of course, as everybody knew. Going to, I don't know if I could pull this color off.
I didn't even have it done.
You guys, this is kind of orange. I don't know if I can pull it off. Okay. So this here is the color on my skin, and this. Alright, so that was my April Ipsy bag and ultimate box. If you guys got any of these products, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up also if you enjoyed this, and please stay safe out there. I just want to say I'm praying for you and everyone you love, close family, friends, actual friends, people who aren't your friends. I'm hoping everyone out there stays okay, stays safe. You guys, just stay safe, please. Until next time, I love you guys.